Welcome. In front of me is a REALME C11, and today I'll show you how to import contacts from a SIM card to the device. Now to get started, you need to open up the dialer app, which is the one with the phone icon, and from here go into the contacts, and as you will see you have the option to import contacts from SIM card. Now I believe this option will most likely disappear if you add some contacts, and for me for some reason doesn't want to allow me to import them anywhere or any different way. So you would go to import export normally, and in here I believe it was export to storage device to do it from a SIM card, which I have done before on a different device, but on here it gives me that export contacts, no contacts, and yeah, I can't really do it this way, but I can still do it the normal way when it's visible from the normal contacts tab. So from here I'm gonna go with export, and then I can select all the contacts that I want to import to the device. You can also select all, and then for instance deselect the ones that I don't want. Once I have selected every contact that I want, just press import, and as you can see, there we go, the contacts have been imported. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.